Hi everyone, I thought I would show you that I still have this HP 255 G5 business notebook that I purchased 1.5 years ago and that I unboxed on my YouTube channel at the time. So what I'll do is show you what I wanted to do is to let you know that it is still functioning, and as you can see, it still has these grooves so on the outside of it, so cleaning is a little bit of issue to make sure that the face of the laptop is clean, because there's these grooves run all the way up the laptop. Okay, so stay tuned to see the insides of how I use my laptop. Okay then, well, in brief, let me give you an overview of how I use the laptop. We're in the screen now at the google.com website, and I'm using Chrome. Chrome is my go-to browser. I know it's a heavy data user, but I tend to use that. There are other browsers on the laptop, Edge that comes with Windows and Internet Explorer and such, but Chrome is my go-to. As you can see, I have a lot of open tabs here, and they're all videos, YouTube videos, lined up to be for scanning or viewing. So the machine is able to handle all of this in Chrome, and you can just pretty much open any other browser or window rather that I need to at point in time. So when I got the laptop, I had to ensure that I set up a virus program to check, when I do emails and for browsing. And so if you come down here, the program that I have is a free program. It's an AVG antivirus free program, and so it's just a basic protection. So it's protecting the computer, web, and email. I can scan the computer. It is actually set up to automatically do the scanning on a daily basis. And as you can see, there are different types of scans that I can do. Computer scan, a deep scan, scan the USB, file or folder scan, performance scan, and all of that, build time scan. So it's scheduled to run daily to make sure that it is safe from viruses. It is also scheduled to automatically update the virus definitions. So if you know this was updated 7 hours ago, and it's also updated the AVG program itself. So 2 updates it is automatically scheduled to do in terms of the program and the virus definitions. Apart from that, though, remember there's also the Windows Defender program. Let me click on it. I can tell something is wrong here. I'm seeing an X. Okay, the Windows program itself is saying your device is being protected. Notice there's a tick against virus and threat protection, firewall and network protection, app and browser control, but there's an X here against this one. So there's something that needs attention here. If I click on it, it gives me the health report. It's telling me that there's something wrong with the Windows update. So the storage, the device, the battery life, they're all okay. But there's something wrong here. When I re-click, it says to restart to finish installing the updates, okay? So since I'm in the midst of the video, I won't restart now. But normally, this is something that you will check for to make sure your Windows Defender is on, as well as your virus program. Or at least that's what I do. And it's been working fine for me so far. So I'll restart that and get that all updated so that when I check down here, there will be a tick instead of an X here. Virus program comes up saying you're protected. Other programs I have installed on the laptop since, apart from what it came with. So these others, I've actually put them all on the taskbar at the bottom here, the ones I use frequently. Kinds of get repetitive having to use the start button and then, they list the programs in alphabetical order, so you have to scroll down to the one that you want to open and select. So to avoid that three-step process with the start button, I put the ones that I use in my taskbar. So of course, the productivity programs, Word, it's there easily. I can stop browsing, an idea or something come, I can type immediately. I write quite a lot, so that's there. Excel is there. I do quite a bit of data and accounting work, so that's there for Excel. And the PowerPoint presentation is there. Those are the three that I use mostly. Not Publisher, not Access so much. The note program that I use is actually Evernote, and that one, what I did was save the icon on my desktop, so I keep the desktop fairly organized and clean. It's but a couple of programs are to the far left, so I have a business plan program, Acrobat Reader. Evernote is my go-to note program. So OneNote, I hardly use that. And so Evernote is there for when I need to open. A couple of the others are on there. The printer, the Chrome is there, the virus is there. A couple of recordings I might be working on before I delete them. And Finance Quicken program is there. So desktop is kept fairly organized, and the rest of the other go-to programs is from the taskbar. The camera is there, and so on. When I'm checking on transferring the files that I have to use, I have to go into the Windows setting. Start settings program, and network and internet. It's a private home network that I set up initially at the start, so I haven't been in that because it's just set up automatically. Once I start the computer, it's connected. The system itself, which is the display, haven't really gone and fiddled around much in this apart from the initial setup. So you'll notice the display is the same, and what I like is a water background, water views, sky views, and so on. So that I have tinkered around in, but this device setting is what I have to go into quite frequently, because that's where I turn on the Bluetooth program that I use. So off and on. And it's fairly a little bit annoying in that once you turn on the Bluetooth, it's not automatic. You have to go to the far right here and click on send or receive files via Bluetooth and select which one you want to do. So if I'm receiving a file, I'll click on receive file, and then it tells you it's waiting for a connection. So let's say I'm sending it from my phone. I'd have to go to the phone, send, and it will come up on their file is being received. Once it's finished, download it to the laptop. I'm okay. But it's not automatic for each session, so that's the annoying part. If there's another file that I want to send at a later date, even though the Bluetooth is on here, I still have to go into this send or receive files again and select what it is that I want to do. So for each session, you have to repeat that step. So the Bluetooth device is what I'm going to mostly. Printer and scanner, once that's in, I'd set up the HP Wi-Fi printer that I bought and multifunction. So it's the unboxing is actually on my channel as well. That's a little bit after I did this unboxing of the HP 255. So that's pretty much how I use the laptop. So it's working, it's appropriate for my needs, and it's customized to how I like it. So I'm still giving it a thumbs up in terms of its performance. So that's the update. Thanks for watching. Bye.